Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito po muli si Teacher Ann. At ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo ngayon ay tungkol sa napanood ko sa SMNI Hearing kanina. Pero bago yan, pindutin mo na ang notification bell at subscribe. Sa napanood kong hearing kanina ng SMNI, nagalingan ako kay Ka Eric. Ang galing niya magpaliwanag. Ang galing ng mga sinasabi niya. Pero parang nabastusan ako sa isang congressman na sinabing out of order na kung tutuusin, nagre-request lang naman siya. Pero panoorin po ninyo. Panoorin po natin.
Yeah. So lahat po sasabihin po natin ay ang katotohanan. Okay.
Can I proceed, Mr. Chairman?
Yes, you may.
Thank you for the reminder, Congressman Akop, sir. And to the members of this committee, I feel, and it is my right to state before this committee and the August Chamber of Congress, that this committee is not above the law. No one in government is above the law. We are a government of laws. I am protected under the SOTO law. I have the constitutional right. I requested per record that I may be given competent advice and assistance of a legal counsel, and such right is guaranteed by the Constitution. And such right is also stipulated clearly in Section 12 of the governing House rules pertaining to committee hearing and conduct of investigation. And even if I am not in a court trial, the right to seek out counsel advice and assistance from a counsel is a part of principle of due process, a principle guaranteed by the Constitution. And I believe before I'll answer any further question, may I manifest respectfully and humbly before this committee that all the statements, even after under oath, in the absence of competent legal advice and assistance previously, may be granted to be stricken off the record because I believe my constitutional rights were violated.
Point of order. The answer manifestation of Mr. Sellers is...
O, tingnan nyo ho. Bigla siya pinutol ng congressman at sinabing out of order. Na kung tutusin, pwede namang sabihin denied or basta hindi na sabihin out of order. Kasi nagre-request lang naman siya.
out of order. He is out of order because you cannot dictate in this house and you cannot move. Only members of you ask members of this house.
Yes, I am explaining,
No,
sir. I am not moving.
no, your manifestation is out of order.
I am
Do
requesting.
not lecture us.
No, I am
about
not
the rules
lecturing.
of this
I am
committee.
standing up for my right.
Mr.
I am standing up for my right.
Remember, we might cite you in contempt.
And so be it, Your Honor.
You challenge us.
Yes, if
What's
that will
the
be
Mr.
sin in the nation na walang karapatan ang mga invited guests dito na magpahayag, Your Honor, with due respect to you.
Panoorin nyo na lang po. At kayo nang bahalang mag-analyze kung tama ang ginawa ng Kongreso na i-contempt si Ka Eric dahil sa hindi niya pag-amin kung sino ang source ng kanyang balita.
Yes or no? May tanong si Congressman J.J. Suarez. Huwag na ho natin pahabain. Yes or no?
I will refuse to answer, Your Honors, not because I disrespect this committee, but I will invoke my right guaranteed by the Constitution because I believe this committee cannot be above the law, especially the Constitution.
Can I just
No, no,
say,
J.J.
sir,
Suarez.
Yes. What right is that you are invoking, Mr. Sellers?
The Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights guarantees me for the guarantee of due process and even the SOTO law and even the House rules.
Yes.
Constitutionally guaranteed rights, Your Honor, Mr.
Yeah.
Chairman, cannot
Mr.
be violated by any branch of the government.
Please answer straight
Yeah.
directly, ha? Wala ho tayong piligoy na sagot ho dito. Masyadong
I will not answer it because I am protected by law as per advice and conference with my lawyers here. I am protected by the SOTO law. Unless the SOTO law is repealed, I will be under the protection of the SOTO law. Republic Act number 53.
Mr. Chair. Okay.
And the previous statements made, Your Honor, Mr. Chairman, please, were made without the competent advice of legal counsel. That's why I was requesting humbly for this honorable committee chaired by Congressman Tambunting that all those testimonies regarding the testimonies I made here can be stricken off the record if it may be considered as a request. Because those are inadmissible. Without prejudice, this is section 1 of 1145 as amended. Without prejudice, face inability or ability under the civil and criminal laws, any publisher, owner, or duly recognized or accredited journalist, whether reporter, writer, contributor, opinion writer, editor, columnist, manager of media, or other media practitioner involved in the writing, editing, production, and dissemination of news or mass circulation of any print, broadcast, wire service organization, or electronic mass media, including cable TV, television, and its variants, cannot be compelled to reveal the source of any news item, report, or information appearing or being reported or disseminated through other or the said media which was related in confidence or reported in confidence. Above mentioned media practitioners, unless the court or the House of Representatives or the Senate or any committee of Congress finds that such revelation is demanded by the national security of the state. Ang 1.8 billion na pagtatanong ko po, Your Honors, Mr. Chairman, ay hindi po threat to national security. Kapag ito po'y tinatanong ng mga media practitioners at ng mamamayan patungkol sa tamang pangangalaga sa pundo ng bayan. And I believe Congress is not exempted from public transparency and accountability in the disposal of public funds.
At ang SOTO law ay hindi po applicable dito sa sinasite nyo. Sa tatlong tinanong ko, pare-pareho hindi ho pa pwede yan. Namin kayang tanggapin yung SOTO law for this particular issues, and we provided the basis for that too.
In our constitutional democracy, only the courts can interpret the laws, not Congress.
Okay.
So I will not answer that question because I believe Congress does not have the right to interpret laws.
Okay.
It is with
Mr. Chair.
Congress to pass laws, but not to interpret.
Mr. Chair.
That would be very dangerous for other media practitioners present here because it will create a very dangerous and negative precedence on the protection of source provided by law. I will refuse still.
Already approved to cite for contempt Mr. Celis. In those note, on this note, Mr. Chair, I move to detain him in the premises of Congress as per our rules on Section 11. So move, Mr. Chair.